Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are talking about REDRAGON Dark Avenger RGB mechanical keyboard. So let's start with a little context. REDRAGON is a company of Chinese origin that was born in 2012 and specializes in research, development and manufacturing of peripherals such as keyboards, headphones, mice, gamepads and most recently chairs. All of course optimized for gaming. The REDRAGON development team is made up of experienced professionals, and their efforts make it possible to create high quality gaming peripherals at the same time maintaining affordable prices. So let's talk about specs. This keyboard is made of ABS, and dimension wise it is 355 millimeters by 155 millimeters by 43 millimeters. It has 87 keys. It is wired with a braided cable that has a length of 1.8 meters, and as most of the products these days designated for gaming, it has a little cable tie which you can use to better cable management behind your PC. Also, this is a mechanical keyboard with O2MO blue switches. Keyboard layout is US style, and of course it is illuminated RGB with anti-ghosting on N-key rollover. As a construction, the outer casing is made entirely out of ABS hard plastic, as I already mentioned. Also, the keys, when touched, have a pleasant feeling. They have a slightly arched design inwards for a firm and precise press. Now let's hear the keyboard sound. Okay, as you probably heard, the switches offer both tactile feedback and sound feedback, being quite noisy. The required pressing force is 60 grams. Also, the switch capsule is made of transparent plastic. Inside it, there is an RGB LED that illuminates each button individually, but also due to the construction of the capsule, the light effects discreetly and pleasantly illuminate on the keyboard side. At the moment it is plug and play, and the lighting mode can only be switched from the keyboard. Honestly, I would have liked to have an app for this. I mean, the mouse REDRAGON Griffon, which I also reviewed in my last video, is 3 times cheaper and has an app for this, so I don't really understand why this keyboard could not have an app that controls all the illumination modes. The micro switches used are blue, more precisely O2MO blue. It offers both tactile and sound feedback, as you already noticed previously, but I have to repeat myself. This is one of the noisiest type of switches, and let's say most pleasant for text editing if you like this type of stuff. I could not recommend this type of switch to people that prefer silence or those who live or work in rooms with other people, because these O2MO blue switches can bother other people. As a funny fact, I woke up my daughter while filming this video, because I was typing on the keyboard and the keyboard was in another room, just to have a point of this. Yeah. Last but not least important, don't forget the numpad is missing. As you probably noticed, this is a short keyboard, so if you're considering doing some office work, then you will have to get used to the missing of the numpad on the keyboard, so please consider it. Also, for gaming, it's not the most recommended switch. As you probably noticed, this is most, let's say, it doesn't have a linear stroke, but it doesn't disappoint here either. So I played some games with it and I didn't notice anything inconvenient except the fact that the loud noise that it makes. Yeah. What do you think of this keyboard? Do you like it? Do you have it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.